Okay guys, welcome to my video. Here we have the Fox router table. It's 1500 watts, 230 volts, and as you can see there, it goes between 8,000 and 26,000 revs per minute, and it weighs approximately 21 kilos. So what I will do, I'll open the box up and I'll show you what's inside. Well, I was going to bring it, open it all up for you and put it on the table and help set it up, but I thought there's not really much to it. So as soon as you open it up, you've got this in here. That's the important documents. That's your guarantee. So the envelopes, what you just do is got all this stuff inside. If I can get it out easily. Just giving you where it is, where you've got to send it to, I presume. Yeah, I think you just got to have a go online. There you go. And it says, welcome to your Fox machine. Our QC department has taken care to ensure that this machine comes to you free of manufacturing faults and that it will give you many hours of service. To ensure that you get the best results from your Fox machine, please use only Fox parts and accessories. Your guarantee registration form is enclosed. Please complete a return to us with a copy of your receipt. I don't think I got a receipt on this because I got it from eBay. In a free post envelope within 30 days of your purchase. So there you go. Alternatively, you can fax the number or go to email them. Failure to do so will result in your guarantee being invalidated. So there you go. That's the guarantee you get with it. Make sure that you do it within the 30 days. There's your guarantee registration form. Make sure you do it within 30 days because you will lose your guarantee on this. Right, let's get to the rest of it. So as I take this bit of paper off, you can just see the table. So what I'll do now is I'll take it all out and show you how it works. So as you can see, I've got it out now. All the wire was underneath here, so you just got to untangle it from that. Just untangle this, and what I'll do is I'll turn it around the right way once I've untangled this and show you. Okay guys, so I've opened it all up, and this is what you get. You get all the assembly points, all the assembly bits. You've got the fence down here, fence guard down there. You got your guard and your dust collector, the hand wheel, and your feathers, and you got and the walls. So what I'll do is I've got the instruction pamphlet down here, manual. So what I will do, I'll set it all up, and then we'll see how easy it was and what problems that I had. So okay guys, welcome back. I've set it all up for you as I said I would, and I'll go through the problems that I had with it. I had a few problems with it because the manual, I just couldn't understand it correctly. That's probably just me, but the problems I did have with it was fitting this on. Didn't know what screws it was. The bags that you get with it, they're not marked. It doesn't tell you which ones it is, which components you need. I had a problem with these, getting this on. So what I will do, I will take it all off and I'll show you actually what components you need for them, yeah, and how to put it back together. So bear with me while I unassemble it again, and I'll show you all the screws and what you need. So for this one, you need two of these, two washers, two square washers, and two 30mm screws. Let's go into them. I don't know if it's gonna No, it's not going to actually focus, is it? I was trying to focus on those, but it can't. For this one, which goes onto the fence, yeah, you need 2 70 screws, 2 washers, and 2 knobs. For the fence to go onto the fence frame, you need 2 washers, 2 50mm, and 2 knobs. Now, at the back of the frame, you will need the little screw. I think it's a 20, a washer, and obviously a knob. And I don't know if the back here you can see there's a screw there. Well, this screw, yeah, it goes underneath the router table and through there. So it comes up there, and then you put the washer on and the knob, and that secures the back frame. Now the biggest problem I had was thinking, well, how do I put this on the actual frame? So again, you need the 2 knobs, 2 70s, sorry, 2 50s, and the washers. Well, on the back of this, you can see it has like little screw holes, hexagon screws, and I thought, well, do they go in the back there? And it took me ages to actually work out how to do it. So what I'm going to do now is I'll set it up and I'll show you how the screws go in. Okay, I've put the handle on this one, and this is on both sides. I've put them. You can see there. So you can what you do is unscrew them and you move the face, the back plate up backwards and forwards. And now this one, I would say I was so confused because it had so many different holes in it. And just one tip: when you put this on the guard, yeah, and the dust collector, make sure you put these screws in and tighten the bolt up. There's a little bolt there. So I didn't. I just put it all together first, and then I had to undo it all again to tighten those up. So just be aware on that one, guys. So yeah, so I'll put this here now. Yeah. What happens? You put this screw in this one, because obviously there's a hole at the back. It is in the other one. What confused me was because these are sort of like rounded, and yet if you look on that, I don't know if again you can get it's actually got like a bolt on it. See? It's a bit poor quality, but there you go. My filming, I mean. So yeah, put that in there as well. And that goes on there like so. And then again at the back you'll see the screws. Hold on, I'll put this down. There you go. So you've got the screw, the washer, and the knob, and just tighten them up. Like that. Just be careful again. This one's got a little bit of a bevel on it, so you want to make sure that the bevels are in facing each other. Okay, so that's that. Now to put the feather edge thing on, I'll show you again. So you've got two holes here, one there and one there. So put the screws in there at the back, Put the other screw in there. Now this is tricky with one hand, so so put that in there like that. I'm just going to put the camera down so I can bolt it up. So that's it. That's on there now. Move it up and down. And now the other bit was this bit here. Again, I showed you the screws. So what I'll do, I'll assemble that. Put that on there like that. I can show you, do I? Put that on there like that. And they go in here. Like that. Go along there. Hang on, I'll drop that. We'll find it. So the second one's in there like that. You can see, goes in pretty well. And then you just have to now bring this all the way up here. Pop that in there. Get the right length. There you go. And then obviously a washer and knob. Washer and the knob on there. And that's it. Well, then you've got this. So this is this was the easiest thing to fit. You just pop that in there like that. And that's that. So, and that gives you your angle gauge. So you've got 60, obviously down to 60 there, and you got the 0 with a pointer just there. Okay, so that's that, guys. So now I've done it all, I've put it all together. Another thing that you get with it, you get a spare, like a chuck, or 2 different size chucks. Whatever you do, don't do what I've done. To undo it, I thought you had to take this clip off on there. Look, do not take that clip off. You don't need to take that clip off. I took it off and it took me ages to get that back on, so just be careful on that one. Okay, so that's it. I've set it all up now. It's got a nice little handle and on and off button, which just covers up and clips in there. You just unclip it. So it's obviously as you're on and off, and you've got your speed gauge, which 1 to 6, and your handle obviously goes to move it up. You can see it going up like that, or opposite way, anti-clockwise, to go down. And that's it really. So what I'll do now, I'll find a bit of wood and I'll give it a go and see what it comes up like. So just bear with me while I do that. So there you go. I found an old piece of wood. I've already put one of my router bits in. So what I'll do now is I'll adjust how we need to put it. Just go up and down. Obviously you know that. And let's see how we get on with it. Okay guys, that was a bit noisy, but you can see the edging on it that it's done. It's quite nice. It's come up quite well, that. I'm quite happy with that, as you can see. So yeah. So there you have it. That is the Fox router table. Another good thing that I just found out actually on this, is that you've got this, the cover that covers the on and off switch. So what you do is when you put it on, like it's on now, slap that down and it turns it off. So it's like an emergency stop. So well, that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, give us a thumbs up, or if there's anything that you think that I should do with me filming, or or anything that you think I could learn by it, let us know. But I hope you've enjoyed it. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe, and I've got more videos coming. I've done one earlier on my lathe. If you'd like to go there, I'll send a link to my lathe, and you'll see it just down below. Okay, thanks very much.